Yantai Jiangtu Mechanical Equipment Company is a leading manufacturer for excavator attachments in China. All products' quality are strictly under control from processing to delivery. By continuous innovation and improvement, the company has got ISO 9001, CE certifications, and technical patents successively. Our products have been sold to domestic and overseas customers including Russia, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, India, Australia, Israel, etc., and long-term partnerships have since been developed. Our mission is quality first, service foremost, and innovation paramount. With safety pin and rear tag mouth locker, a double safety assurance make the quick coupler much more safer. Parts like sun valve and simmering oil seals in cylinder and heat-treated pins have ensured a better performance and longer lifetime. Equipped with NTN bearing, Italy valve, Permaco motor, the hydraulic plate compactor is highly impulsive. Brake valve on M+S motor, sun valve, and simmering oil seals in cylinder, hard dogs in Wu steel. With such scientific design, the grapple synchronizes and performs in an ideal way. Using hard dogs in Wu steel, simmering oil seals, and sun valve in cylinder, and with fast pressurization, the shears are highly efficient. We also have other productive and practical attachments available, such as hydraulic grapple, grab bucket, forklift, rake, tilting bucket, and ripper. Quality first, service foremost, innovation paramount has always been the mission of the company. And we will keep on improving the products to better serve the world market. We are looking forward to working with you.